Under Armour commercial. Just me alone in my thoughts. I train alone. I prepare alone. I get after it alone. There's no one else, Lanny. God damn it, Hiram, don't shoot them. You're supposed to stay on me. You fucked it up. Let's just shoot, guys. You too. Today we're at my gym, the Iron Paradise, doing a very big Project Rock photo shoot with Under Armour. This is my mecca. It's my sacred place. I rarely let anybody inside. And you know, just like the Eagles song Hotel California, you can check out, but you can never leave. Myself and my team are 100% involved in every aspect of the process, from developing the products to defining the creative. Our partnership is focused on taking both brands to the next level. What's always unique about my Project Rock photo shoots with Under Armour is that you'll never see me posing for a shot. You'll never see someone come in and spray fake sweat on me. This is my workout, and you're gonna capture it, and you're gonna come along for the ride. And when I'm done, the shoot's done. We have a saying internally, which is we always want to be the hardest workers in the room. In 2017, we were really fortunate enough to accomplish a lot of great things, but it's January 1st and we're ready to get back to work. To 2018, to Jumanji, to friendship, to brotherhood, to always being grateful and always recognizing that we're very lucky boys. Well, right now we're going to Beijing, China, and what makes this trip so special is not every movie has the honor of being released in China. It's a big deal, and it's a privilege, and it's an honor. So, you know, here we are, we're 40,000 feet up in the air, and the rest of the world is asleep. We're not. We're putting in the work. If you're lucky enough to be successful at something, and whatever it is you do, people can often think that, oh, now it's easy. At the end of the day, the work never stops. You always got to keep going. Always. You've got to keep driving forward. This is what we call therapy, iron therapy. It's also what we call, what's that term? Oh, fucking crazy. Yeah. It's good. It looks like Gatorade. This is actually gorilla piss. It comes out blue when they're from the west side of Africa.
Probably never see me. I'm in a sucking place, no Instagram or watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bra, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian.
Well, the inspiration behind the Titan Games was it started back with just the idea of social media, the impact that it's had in a lot of people's lives, young, old, different cultures all around the world, just in terms of helping people turn their lives around. But then the bigger, broader idea was, well, how can I take the idea of helping people get better, and how can I create a platform that's a global platform that allows them to come join me? We went to the people who created, you know, the most inspiring show on TV, American Ninja Warrior. I partnered with them and with NBC, and thus, the baby is born in the Titan Games. Winning is really just the beginning. When you come on the show and you win, you have to continue to win. And you have to continue to climb and get better and progress. Then you become a Titan. Just landed in Beijing with my entire team, and the whole team thinks we're going to sleep, but I have other plans. We're going to the gym. Effort for me has always been one of those important daily anchors because I feel like it's the one thing that I can control.
All right, see, every time I travel internationally, their weights are in kilos, and I don't know how to convert kilos to pounds. Yeah, so here's the thing I do. So I just look down here, and you know what I do? I grab the heaviest shit possible. All right, it's very caveman-like, but it works for me.
It's a great feeling to get in the gym in the morning, set a goal, and leave the gym knowing you accomplished it. Because at the end of the day, it's never too early or too late to get after your goals. And once you start that first step and you take that action, that's going to be what creates the momentum. And once you get that momentum going, then you're off to the races.
Putting in work. Big dogs eat. Little crying puppies stay on the porch. Way too cold in here. Too cold. Too fucking cold. 92 degrees is too cold. After about an hour and 40 minutes, it's about the time where I start looking around and everybody like, you motherfuckers. I just start to get angry. Then I gotta reset myself. I reset. I love you all. That's when you know it's going to be a motherfucker, when you can't even stretch the band. I'm having a little moment of gratitude right now, and I just had to share it with you guys before it all goes away and I realize, holy shit, the whole thing has been a dream. It's been a hell of a dream. I go to the bathroom to wash up. My flight attendant lays out my lunch for me, and I come back and I'm looking at this, and just like that, I have a moment of gratitude. This is what I came back to. This is my lunch. There is a rose sitting on my table. I don't even know what to do with the rose other than look at it or sing the Seal song. I compare you to a kiss from a rose. I don't know. I don't want to say anything cliche like if you work hard, you could have this life too, but I do believe in relentless hard work and being the hardest workers in the room, but I also believe in kindness. Kindness matters. Being a decent human being matters. Now, I'm not saying hard work and kindness equate to success, but I will tell you this. You can get a lot further in life with hard work and being a good person than hard work and being an asshole. I once heard it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. So be nice, work hard, and enjoy your roses. You know, back in college at the U, when we were winning national championships and kicking that ass on defense, my teammates gave me a nickname. Well, they gave me a couple of nicknames, but those are inappropriate, right? They gave me a nickname called Iron Grip because I would grip the dog shit out of things in the weight room and on the field, and oftentimes I'd make my hands bleed. My teammates would always be like, let the blood flow. Well, old habits never die. So I just took a chunk out of my hand for training too hard again. So old Iron Grip, here we go. But they say if you kiss it, it makes the pain go away. So, nah, I like the pain. All right, let's keep training. Saturday night, 1:45 a.m. I just wrapped a phenomenal workout here in the Iron Paradise. Got after it hardcore. Hardest workers in the room. It's how we do it. The number one question that I'm asked everywhere I go around the world is always, how is it that I stay so motivated? What are the motivating factors in my life that keep me in this psychological space? Number one will be gratitude. I try and find a way to be grateful for every single thing I have every single day. Wins, losses, loved ones, you name it. My life wasn't always this way. It was much different many moons ago. So these days I'm grateful to the bone for everything. The other thing is hunger.
You always hear people say, well, it's about being number one, about being at the top. Or how about this? You're always going to find somebody out there who's going to work harder. Well, I don't know that. That might be bullshit. But I know no one is going to be hungrier than I am. And I try and find a way to be grateful. So I hope that helps. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. If you're watching this, you better be doing something productive and not freaky shit. Well, you could go do some freaky shit. Okay, we haven't even started training. I haven't even started my workout. I haven't even started warming up. I'm fucking drenched. That's a little indication of how we roll in the Iron Paradise.